Hello everyone, my name is Harmony Birch. I am a library student assistant at the New Brunswick Libraries, and today we're going to be learning how to search for legal sources. I'm going to be presenting 3 useful databases for you. The first is CQ Researcher, the second is U.S. Congressional Publications, and the third is Westlaw Campus Research. All of these databases can be accessed from the New Brunswick Libraries page. If we scroll down, we just have to click Search a Subject-Specific Database. And I'm going to go ahead, we can look at it through alphabets, but I'm going to go ahead and just search for them. So the first is CQ Researcher. If I click here, we'll be directed to the database. Now it's important to note that if you are on Rutgers campus, you can get onto these databases without any barriers. However, if you are off campus, you will be directed to log in via NetID if you're not already logged into the library website. So CQ Researcher is a collection of weekly research reports on recent news topics and issues of interest in the public policy sphere. The reports are written by experienced journalists. There's a search box on the upper right-hand corner. And then if you scroll down here, you can see on the right side a sidebar called Hot Topics. So Hot Topics lists recent reports that were written all within less than a year. Let's click on this abortion rights report. So it's pretty recent and it gives you highlights of big cases that happened that have to do with abortion rights. Now let's scroll up and do a search for abortion in the search box. And we can see a bunch of different reports here and click on the abortion controversies report. So if we click here, we can see some recent controversies that happened within abortion law. And you can see right up here on the issue tracker that they're dated by time, so this can be useful to you during your research phase. Next, we have U.S. Congressional Publications. So this is a subscription database that provides access to historical and current congressional information and publications on all aspects of legislation. You can select from the facets from the left. To search by bill number or public law, go to the left-hand drop-down menu up here, this upper left-hand drop-down menu, and click Search by Number. You can also select the facets on the left side for specific material. So if you see here, we have public laws, congressional bills, statutes at large, and so on. Once you locate your resource of interest, you can click on it and read the material online, via download, or by printing. Third, we have Westlaw Campus Research. It's a subscription database that covers legal materials, including statutes and regulations from state and federal governments. It also includes articles from legal journals. The search interface is prompted to federal. If we wish to change it, we have to click on it, and options on limiting the search by state will appear. Let's leave it to federal and search for women's reproductive rights. We can limit this search on the left by different types of legislation. In addition to legal material, we have a link to secondary sources. If you click on it, you will see the articles published by legal journals and reviews. I want to highlight one more free resource that you can actually access without Rutgers libraries. It's called congress.gov, and it's the official source for federal legislative information. The default search is for current Congress. You can change the pull-down menu on the left to all Congresses. Enter your keywords topics. I'm going to choose reproductive justice for women, and then we're going to search. On the results page, you can use this bar to the left to limit your search.